Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe me. Motorcycles on the move. In 2015, motorcycles were included in several high-visibility productions that hugely validate them to the general public. One was Toyota's new dirt bike-filled Tacoma commercials, another MotoAmerica's spirited demo lap at the Indy 500, America's largest spectator event. Then at the upscale Jet Center party that kicks off Monterey's Summer Car Week, motorcycles struck the broadest stance in 25 years. And most recently, the renovated Petersen Automotive Museum in Los Angeles expanded the square footage for motorcycles fourfold, including bikes on all 3 floors. Located near downtown, the Petersen Museum opened in 1994 but by 2012 needed reincarnation, in form, content, and vision. Enter over a half-dozen heavy-duty philanthropists including Richard Varner, backer of the MotoAmerica racing series, along with executive director Terry Karges. Together they mapped out a full rework that turned the place into a truly contemporary automotive and motorcycle museum. Attended by 750 people, the opening gala on December 6 revealed 26 motorcycles among dozens of important cars including Ferrari, Aston Martin, Porsche, McLaren and Mercedes-Benz. I would have to say that no other auto museum gets close to what we provide, said Karges, who is also a MotoAmerica partner. I describe it as 21st century storytelling. The exhibits get you so close to the automobile's emotional context that some people quite literally tear up. Varner curated the bikes personally, strongly asserting their importance within the automotive sphere. The first use of internal combustion was a motorcycle, and so bikes are actually the nexus of automobiles, he noted. Curtiss and BMW motorcycle engines influenced aviation enormously, and the success of Honda's original CB754 supported development of the first Honda Civic. Displays contain influential examples from a 1903 Thor Indy and Camelback to a 2015 Kawasaki H2R, plus game changers like the 1961 Honda Cub Step-Through and the 1995 Ducati 916 sport bike. A serious enthusiast, Varner contributed a rare 750cc AMA racing homologated 1970 Triumph Bonneville T120 RT and a 1983 6-cylinder Benelli Setti from his own stable. We looked at 3 criteria when selecting bikes, he said. First was significant motorcycles over the last 100 years. We then considered engine configuration, because unlike in a car, the motor is clearly the heart of every motorcycle. Finally, we added scooters for entertainment, because everyone smiles when they see one.